Good morning, all. Hope you guys are doing great. So this morning, I'm shooting this video for a purpose, and this purpose is related to your online business. Whatever business you are doing on this planet online, especially online, you need to track each and every activity of your online business. I'll tell you why this is important today. I have a complete online coaching business. I do affiliate marketing. If I don't track my links, if I don't see if I'm sharing a blog or a video, if I don't track the effectiveness of that particular asset which I have built up, or maybe I'm running an affiliate promotion or running an ad or something, if I don't track this, it will become very, very difficult for me to understand what my customers are looking at, how my customers are reacting to the posts, etc. what I have shared with and what are my conversions even. And I will share some real life incidences recently happened, which has kind of doubled or tripled this thing. I always believe in this, and I really felt the need to share this video with you all. So now I'm talking about a system called click tracking. Now, click tracking is a mechanism by which every single click, every single link you generate. Suppose you generate a YouTube video, like this video is going to YouTube and Facebook. Now this video is there, YouTube is going to give its link, but instead of using a YouTube link, what I will do, I will create my own link. I'll say rachitsethi.co/some link of mine, by which I will be able to check the effectiveness of this particular video, that which all countries this video is being watched, which all devices the videos are being opened on Android, Windows, a laptop, or an iPhone, or a Mac, which browser the users are using to track this up. Why this is important? This is important to know your audience, that from which country the people are most responding to your campaigns, with which kind of devices people are using. So you need to be very much, your entire content has to be device friendly. So I'll give you reasons today. Let me see how many reasons I can pinpoint, and to help you and understand this entire concept and how to get started. Of course, there's a link to buy this thing, buy this click tracking software. It's so cool, and you can just get started on your journey. Because if you are doing anything online, and if you're not tracking your links, you are actually losing on a lot of things, a lot of analysis you are missing out, and you might be losing out your money also, especially in affiliate marketing. I'll tell you this thing. So how it goes on. So reason number one why you should be using a click tracking system. One, having your own click tracking system will allow you to use your own name. Like in my case, it is like rachitsethi.co. Then I give a particular asset name. Like if I have to land you to say Facebook, I'll say rachitsethi.co/Facebook. So it will bring you to my Facebook page. So what I'm doing is, I'm passing on this link rather than giving my entire Facebook link. So by which I'm able to track that in which country this particular link is getting opened, at what time this is getting opened. See, because it's why important for me to check the effectiveness of whatever I'm doing in the online space. So one, if you really want to know from which all places which all countries your customers are engaging with you, you need this particular tracking mechanism. Reason number two why you need a tracking mechanism is to check your conversions. Like you place there is a concept of pixels, like a Facebook pixels is there. Similarly, there is a concept of pixels in all the click tracking softwares. You place the pixel in your funnels. Like there are funnels, you will build funnels for your online businesses. All the funnels you can place your pixels. Once you place your pixel, the tracking system will actually keep a tab on the customer's journey, that yes, this customer entered through this link into the funnel, and now it is at this stage, this much as conversion has happened. So you'll get to know the conversions percentage also using a click tracking software. That's reason number two. Reason number three, very important. Many of you will contemplate at this point that there is a Bitly which is available as a free shortener. We can use always Bitly, we can use, and then if you are in a WordPress, you can always pick up pretty links and make a pretty link using your website domain and all that stuff. It's okay, you can do that. But again, the drawback would be it will not be able to differentiate between the links clicked by bots. Now what happens if you know this concept? It's great. Whenever you post a link on any platform online, you go to LinkedIn, you go to Facebook, you go to YouTube, you go to any place online. The moment you submit your link, the moment you give a link, there's an automatic bots worldwide starts tracking this link just to check the authenticity of the link, just to see if it is spam or not. If you're say posting on Facebook, is it not violating the policies of Facebook, and so many things. All these are clicks. Now your these systems what I've just shared with you on WordPress and Bitly and all that will not be able to differentiate these clicks. So you really need to have a tool which can differentiate between how many bots are clicking your link and how many actual users or actual people are clicking on the link. Another big reason, that's the most biggest reason I will tell you today is recently this happened into my affiliate marketing journey. So I don't want you guys to just go without this and promote anything. Reason number 4, you will get to know the exact payments which you're getting from a company, affiliate marketing, who's I'm promoting. Recently this happened. 2 of the platforms, I ran a campaign. I keep running campaigns. So in one of my campaigns, I've sent a lot of traffic to one of the softwares which I was promoting. A lot of traffic went there. A lot of buying also happened. My click tracking system shows how many links are there on an everyday basis, unique links, bot links and everything, which country and everything it is showing. But in the affiliate marketing dashboard of that company, every company gives you a dashboard to track, because company says we are giving you the tracking system, we don't need a tracking system. But unfortunately, never go like this. Never believe in all such tactics like that. Is why I don't say you use Bitly or something. No. Go for a proper mechanism. Go for a proper system. Now the system is, what happened is, my traffic was not captured, and I did a business with them for X amount. They calculated Y amount, and there was a difference of approximately $150. Right, there's a difference of $150. $150 in Indian rupees is around 10,000 rupees, right? So there's a 10,000 rupees gap which was coming in. What they tracked versus what I was doing, there's a gap of 10,000 rupees. I immediately, the moment they released their payout reports, I immediately shared my screenshots, details, day-wise details and everything. And they were forced to dig down with their technology team or IT team. And they found out that what was the reason why the links were not getting reflected into their dashboard. And they rectified that too. And I got my payments. Same thing happened with one more platform recently. It's still undergoing, it's still under process right now. They're just checking it out. But imagine a situation. This is just a matter of, because this thing happened somewhere in a gap of around, I think 12-13 days. The gap was there, right? Then again rectified. Just imagine if I had not this kind of a tracking mechanism with me, I would have lost that $150. And this is not something, this just happened once. If I escalated, that got rectified. Suppose I have not escalated that thing, then what will happen? I kept on sending the traffic to people, kept on buying the product, but in return, when the time will come to check the conversions, check the commissions, I was getting no money. So there's no point. So my simple submission to all of the viewers here is, if you are online, if you are doing any kind of a digital business, any kind of an online business, you need to have a tracking mechanism. Okay, so to help you get started, just check the description below. There is a complete click tracking guide I have mentioned below. So you can just download the click tracking guide and just see how it works. Then there's a link which will take you to my tracking tool, and this comes with a 14 days free trial also. So 14 days you try it for free. 15th day your payments will start. I think the payment is $17, I believe, per month. So $17 is how much? Is around 1200 1300 rupees maybe. Yeah, 17, right? 1200 1200 rupees in Indian rupees, right? If you're watching in India. If you're watching it outside India, just convert the currency $17 into your local currency and you will get the number. Without this, don't do any kind of digital business. You know, all your YouTube, blogs, your podcast, your affiliate links, your payment gateway links, all your links need a thorough tracking. You need to differentiate how many bots are clicking that link, how many actual people are clicking the link, the effectiveness of your campaigns, the countries where the links are getting opened, so that you know this country is responding well to your campaign. You can just tag on this country, or you can tag on, you know, many other parameters are there. Once you download the complete click tracking guide, you will get to know more about this. So that's all from my side this morning. Today, very important message, because you know, this particular system, $17 per month, has saved me more than $200 as of date right now recently. That means if I had not paid $17 a month, I would have ended up losing at least $200. So it's like, you know, I got around 12 months subscription almost free now for me. Okay, so that's the power. Don't go without a tracking mechanism. That's all I have to say. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.